We're off to an excellent start in 2026. Optimism is back, wearing a tie. Recently, we spoke to hundreds of mortgage pros, our partners, and nearly 85% of them expect more volume in 2026. We share your enthusiasm and are stepping up our efforts to enhance our relationship with you. AD now has over 9,000 partners, 8,000 of which are taking advantage of our amazing loyalty program, a program specifically designed to help close more deals with rewards built around what you wanted and what you needed. I'm truly excited about our direction and progress. While many companies are stagnating or laying off, we are hiring new staff and creating more internship opportunities. Additionally, we are developing new organizational structures for our veteran team members to thrive in. We are growing, we are hiring, innovation and technology remain at the core of our continued evolution. We are building a single ecosystem to provide you, our partners, with a stable but dynamic lending solution where we can grow together. This includes our new Advise AI assistant, a tool to make your partner's job easier. Stay tuned because we have a wide range of other features for our partners that will come online soon. And now our Florida headquarters is becoming an industry space. 38.5% of you put a referral network growth as a top strategic priority in 2026. AD Mortgage offices are a fantastic venue to realize this goal. We invite you to come to see us and take part in one of many events we're hosting this year. I look forward to meeting you when you join us. AD Mortgage has always believed in developing solid relationships with our partners, relationships that matter. I believe that this commitment to each other's success will help carry us forward regardless of any temporary challenges. We are proud to be your lender of choice and remain dedicated to helping you win.